Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back with another video, and today I'm going to do a swipe half and half, and the color I'm going to be using is this light blue violet by Blick mixed with Liquitex Basics Iridescent Medium. And you know what, I might just do an all over color instead of a half and half. So I mixed my color up to the right consistency. You want it to pour off your stick, just like that. Okay. Sometimes the iridescent medium has little clumps in it, so you kind of have to stir it for a while. All right. You kind of like I kind of push it up against the sides just to make sure if there's any clumps or lumps. Okay. So I'm going to pour my base coat down, and so that's the base colors. I'm going to use some do I want to use purples or blues? I think I'm going to go blue. I'm going to use some of this Viridian Blue by Modern Masters. I'm going to use some Blick Studio Metallic Teal. I'm going to use a Pebeo Very Blue Iridescent. I'm going to use my Golden Anthraquin. And do I need another? Oh, and some, let's use this one. Some Jacquard Citrine, little green in there. And my gold, my 24 karat gold. Okay, so there's my colors. See, I kind of fly by the seat of my pants. All right, so I'm going to put all my base paint down. This is a 12 by 12 inch Blick gallery wrap canvas, and we're gonna get started here. I'm all finished, and I'm very happy with this piece. So I'm really happy that I put in the purple. So I put in this Liquitex Deep Violet, and I put in a Color Shift, Full Art Color Shift Purple Flash. I did swipe with American Floetrol and water. I'm sorry, American Floetrol and Titanium White Amsterdam paint. And I have a video comparing the two different Floetrols, the Australian Floetrol and the American, just to see that how much difference it makes. I honestly like both of them a lot, and for different things, different looks that I'm going for. So if I want a more lacier effect, more smaller cells, I go with the Australian. If I want this look where I get like the bigger juicy cells and the lacing, I go with the American. I'll link the video here so you can see what I'm talking about, because I do compare the two on the same canvas. And that's going to be it for me today. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just comment and I will answer you. Pretty quick on answering the questions. And if any of you out there have a channel and you want to do a collab, I am always looking to do something fun and interesting and something different. So just give me a shout out. My email is down below, and or just contact me. You can contact me through Instagram. Okay. All right. Have a great one. See you all very soon. Bye-bye.